Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how the Happn app works. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Happn app. Once the app is installed, open it on your phone. When the app opens, you will see the login screen. Here, you can log in using your Google account or your phone number. Choose the option you prefer and complete the login process. After you log in, the app will ask you to enter your name. Type your name and continue. Next, enter your date of birth by selecting the correct day, month, and year. After that, choose your gender. You can select man or woman and move forward. Now, the app may ask for your height. You can enter your height if you want, or you can skip the step. After that, choose who you would like to meet. You can select man or woman based on your preference. Then, choose what you are looking for, such as friendship. Next, you need to add photos to your profile. Add at least 2 photos where your face is clearly visible. This step is important to complete your profile. Once done, continue to the next step. You can add your hobbies to your profile or skip this part if you prefer. After that, enter your location. You can type it manually or allow the app to automatically detect your location. Once this is done, you will be logged into the app and taken to the home section. In the home section, you will see profiles of other users. You can view their profiles, add them to your favorites, or start chatting with them. There is also a hub section where you can explore more content. The map section helps you find people near your location. You can view all your favorite profiles in the like section and manage your conversations in the chat section. Thanks for watching.